Hey guys, Davin here at brewbits.com. A few months back we made a WineXpert Classic Smooth White. I was just having a look to see when it was we bottled it. August 2024. So it's now December 24, so not that long ago. It's been in the bottle in my garage, so it's been nice and cool. I thought we would pop one open and have a try. Now it's had time to condition a little bit in the bottle. Okay, let's go for a pour. Okay, we've got a good colour to it. Oh, I've got a little bit of cork floating around, just ignore that. We've got a lovely golden colour to it. It's very, very clear because we filtered it using a Buon Vino filter. Oh, some interesting aromas, bit peachy, a little bit appley, a bit peary as well, and slightly floral. Okay, quite interesting. There's something else there that I can't quite get at the moment. Hopefully I'll get that in a moment with a taste. Okay, so the first thing that hits me is the WineXpert Smooth. It's quite smooth, but the first thing that hits me is there's quite a bit of sweetness to it. It's not as sweet as, say, a peas porter or a Liebfraumilch, but there is a sweetness to this wine. There's also a nice acidity to it as well. It's balancing out the sweetness quite well. It's making my mouth water. It's making me want to go back for another sip. I'm getting that peachiness, more stony fruits and more nectarine-y more than peachy perhaps. Yeah, that's a really nice, easy drinking wine. It's got, as I say, nice dryness, nice mouth-wateriness on the palate, and really quite easy drinking. A little bit perhaps on the sweet side for me personally, but I think if I ordered this or went around a friend's house and they served it up, there's a bottle on the table, I wouldn't say no. I would definitely be drinking a glass of this, more than a glass, possibly a few, before we moved on to something different. So we've got the WineXpert's Classic Smooth available on our website. And if you make it, down in the comments below, let us know how you got on. Let me know what you think about it. Down in the comments, tell me what you think. If you've got any questions, then let me know as well, and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. But for now, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this glass of the WineXpert Classic Smooth White. Cheers.